In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix desktop icons not working or not showing properly in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. Now first of all, you need to open your File Explorer. The moment you've opened it, okay, you can see a window like this. You can also press Windows key and E key together in your keyboard as an eagle, and in that way or manner, you would be able to bring up the File Explorer. So first, you need to proceed to the left pane and locate for this PC, and under it, you can see your C drive or local disk. So you need to navigate first with the view, click on it, go with show, and click on this hidden items to show the hidden ones. So once you have seen those hidden file folders, you need to locate with the file folder, which is the user. Okay, so once you find the users, double tap, and from here at the users, you need to select your local account. Okay, so how to check the local account? Just have to navigate here at the start, and there you can see or you can check what current user account has been logged in your Windows PC. So once you have identified your user account, just select it, double tap again. Okay, and from here you would be able to see a hidden folder which has been shown rather, which is the app data. So by that you need to open it, so double tap to open, and by that you need to navigate to this first file folder named local. So double tap again, and here at the local, okay, at the bottom of side of that you can see there a database file which is icon cached. So we need to delete such. So by that make a right click and click on the delete. Once you've deleted it, okay, you need to unhide this hidden folders. So go with show, hide this rather, hide this hidden folders. So once you have hide such, close the window and proceed to the second method. So before we proceed, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, okay, and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So the second or last method that you can do is that here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the task manager. You can also press Ctrl Shift and Escape key together, and in that way or manner, you will be able to bring up the task manager. So here at the task manager, expand it first and directly proceed to the processes. And here at the processes, you need to scroll down and locate for Windows Explorer. So your Windows Explorer might be running under the apps or it might be running here under the Windows processes. Once you find it, please make a right click and click on restart. Okay, so the moment you restart the Windows Explorer, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Now, thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.